My name's Bill Rader. The company is Efferent Labs. Efferent Labs is a company that's currently working in the preclinical space. That would be drug development space. And we are bringing forth a device that's a sensor that looks at cells in real time, providing feedback to the researcher of cellular activity. This is important because it allows us to look at a medication, a drug product in real time and determine its efficacy or a pathway activation or signal it might be creating. Efferent Labs was founded in the bed of the Mayo Clinic, in my bed of the Mayo Clinic, when I was suffering a large tumor-affective lesion, the effects of a large tumor-affective lesion in my brain due to the effects of multiple sclerosis. It paralyzed me from the head down on the right-hand side of my body. And it caused me to think a lot about business and the current business I was in, which is a regulatory business for pharmaceutical and device manufacturers. And I wanted to make a large difference to people. And I didn't see that happening just being in the regulatory business. I wanted to create something that would help people. Along the way, we worked from a product that started out size of a small microwave oven, but we need to get it very small. So I created this, myself and my engineers and my partners, we created this little device here that's small enough to go inside of a mouse. And this device uses a very small laser, a lot of specialized glass prisms and filters. And we look at cells that are inside the biochamber in real time while it's implanted in vivo. That would be in a subcutaneous manner. So it's just under the skin of the test subject. And this allows it to be in a natural environment where it's interacting with the interstitial fluids and the blood of the animal to determine what is actually occurring inside that test subject. So our device itself utilizes the cells. And what we're able to do is give a very high fidelity look at what is taking place in the cellular pathway in real time. So yes, we get thousands of data points, activation of cell response. So for instance, if it says a chemotherapy where you're trying to kill a specific type of cell, a cancer cell, we can see the actual rate at which those cancer cells are dying and that those cancer cells are dying. If you overkill them, if you do it too fast, you have negative effects in your body because there's a chain reaction that occurs in any biological event. So you want to get the death rate at a prescribed level. So it's happening not too fast, not too slow. And that's where we're able to look and see that kind of information. 2025, this year, later on this year, we will be selling this product for drug development. The use of it in research and development will be in full swing by the end of the year. After that, we will start moving rapidly towards human use. But as standard, the standard process is to start with research and development, go through preclinical testing, then go into clinical testing, then on to release for patients to use. So we're actually in the standard pathway of development pipeline for a product. We actually have markets in both the early market, which is the preclinical market, and then in the latter markets, clinical testing, and then on into the human. So there's multiple verticals available, all that can generate revenue for the company, with the first being this year, which will be the preclinical market. And this is going to help develop drugs faster, cheaper, and with using less animals, so more ethically.